Did you know that one tiny line at the bottom of your Samsung phone is actually ruining your clean aesthetic? Yeah, that little gesture hint bar. If you want your Samsung screen to look super clean, minimal, and distraction-free, and the best part, no apps needed at all, let me show you how to remove the gesture hint or navigation bar line on your Samsung phone. This is perfect if you love a clean home screen setup, especially if you're using custom wallpapers, minimalist icons, or just want your display to look more premium. First, open Settings on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and tap on Display. Inside Display, look for Navigation Bar and tap on it. Now make sure you're using swipe gestures instead of buttons. After that, tap on More Options under Swipe Gestures. Now here's the magic part. You'll see something called Gesture Hint. That's the little white line sitting at the bottom of your screen. All you need to do is turn it off. And boom, that's it. See that? The line is gone. Your Samsung display now looks way cleaner, more immersive, and honestly, way more aesthetic. And don't worry, your gestures still work exactly the same. You can still swipe up, go back, and open recent apps like normal. It just looks better now. Sometimes the smallest changes make the biggest difference, right? If you love clean setups and hidden Samsung tricks like this, make sure you stick around. I've got more simple but powerful tips coming your way. And tell me in the comments, do you prefer the gesture hint on or off? See you in the next one.